the Tirzepatide is a tool that I use to help me. It helps with the food noise, it helps with cravings. So in my mind now, that med is not holding all the power. I'm the powerhouse. I am the one doing this now. And it is a tool to help me be powerful and hit these goals and overcome these challenges.
So I wanted to share this testimonial from Melissa. I love how raw and how open and direct she is. She is one of my star pupils, PCOS, a ton of weight to lose. She had started her journey before she met us, but she was at that place both mentally and physically where she thought, I just got to be on the medications for the rest of my life. Tirzepatide. Why would I think of any other scenario? Deep down, she knew that it wasn't the best case scenario to be on this medication long term, but for her, it was the best course that she had available. And then when we started working together, it was like she just lit up because for the first time, everything that she always kind of wondered but suppressed because she found no validation of it became true because I provided her the format and the coaching and the structure. Now she's just emphatic about how long-term she's going to get there, how much better she's feeling, weaning off the meds. I wanted to share the story with you guys. Enjoy.
I wanted to share, I've had such a mindset shift in regards to my GLP-1 meds that I wanted to share with you while I'm thinking about it. So, as you know, I will scream it from the rooftops that the compound Tirzepatide that I am on has made such a difference in allowing my body with PCOS to actually be successful in losing weight. And up until this point, I really have given the med a lot of credit, letting it hold all the power, I guess, is really what I felt in my heart and in my mind. I don't know, it's kind of hard to explain. Maybe I shouldn't even be sharing this right now because I'm all over the place, but I feel like now heading into 2024, I hold all the power, and I feel like my mindset has shifted in that of the medicine now is just a tool for me to use to get to where I want to be and hit my next set of goals, if that makes sense. So whereas that medicine in 2023 really launched me, pushed me, and now here I am. Now I feel like I'm in a sense walking alongside this medicine, linking arms with it, and now it's just a tool or a resource that I have, and it's mainly in my mind now helping me hit my fasting goals. Because now my mindset, I feel like I have such structure and I can focus on what I know my body needs for me to be successful forever and to be able to sustain my weight loss and then potentially wean off these meds completely. I know that right now in this moment and living in the present and being intentional, these meds are a tool for me to hit my fasting goals, which once I hit my fasting goals, which right now I'm intermittent fasting daily, and then I have weekly fasting goals that I'm hitting and working towards bigger and better. So the Tirzepatide is a tool to help me with that and to help me to be able to stick to keto. Keto is so hard for me. It is probably the hardest part, and being a flow part of the flow protocol is not necessarily keto all the time. It's used strategically, but I struggle. I struggle with keto all the time, any level of keto. So I don't even claim to do keto. I'm definitely lazy keto, but I even struggle with that. It's hard. But the Tirzepatide is a tool that I use to help me. It helps with the food noise, it helps with cravings. So in my mind now, that med is not holding all the power. I'm the powerhouse. I am the one doing this now. And it is a tool to help me be powerful and hit these goals and overcome these challenges. And it's really empowering, and I really feel like I wasn't here mentally until I started following the flow protocol, and I'm just really thankful. And I just wanted to share candidly where I'm at mentally. It's January 2nd. I got up at 5 a.m. I went to the gym. I lifted. I'm fasting. I did a fasted workout, which honestly, if you would ask me 2 months ago if I would ever be doing, I would say you are absolutely crazy. My body does not even like fasting. I can't. 2 months ago when I was having my consultation with the doctor, I was like, doctor, what am I supposed to do when my stomach is like gonna make me puke? Like I can't fast. Like I used to have to wake up and drink a Fairlife immediately. Otherwise I would have the worst stomach aches. And now I thrive. I don't want to eat until noon. Usually I usually do like noon to 8. And then my weekly fast, right now I'm doing a 24-hour weekly fast, and I line up my weekly shot because it's a tool, right? It's all intentional now. I am being intentional. So the Tirzepatide shot weekly is timed as a tool to help me with my weekly fast. So it's all working together. It's all like this precious ecosystem that is set up perfectly in my mind for me to be the most successful I have ever been. And that just leads me to say that my theme this year is to just be intentional. It's the year of you in my mind. And for me, it just means it's my time to level up. I want to become stronger in every aspect of the word. And that is my ultimate goal. So anyway, I wanted to share this 5-minute long video. Oh my God, nobody's gonna watch this. I need you to stop yapping. Okay, bye, I love you.